Can you share the story of your condition? How did your disability come about, and what's your experience in growing up with it?
Okay, so if I'll start with my disability, it all started when I was 11 days old. I had some accident basically. I got slipped from the hands of caretaker when I was just 11 days old, and I was rushed into the hospital as just to treat what happened. Basically, after 2 days, because the caretaker haven't told my parents what happened. So as soon as they came to know, it was a fracture in my right femur bone, and the doctor during the treatment tried to fix it up. They stretched my leg so much that at the age of maybe at around 13 days old, they stretched so much that my hip got dislocated. And from 13 days when I was that much old to around 3 years, due to doctor negligence or not getting the proper treatment, uh, lots of things just happened, and I got fractured around 3 times in the same area. Uh, and I was just on plaster from my neck to toe. And during that time, when the child develops their natural muscles, I couldn't develop that. As a result, I couldn't walk or stand, and due to sitting, I got scoliosis. My back just turned. So yeah, but even like my parents tried to make me have a good treatment. Um, some of the doctor from PGI or AIMS just told that these uh, kind of children don't live for longer. So they just gave me a time limit of 6 years, that she would be living till maybe 6 years or maybe less than that. But my parents just gave me strength, especially my mother, and they were my backbone at that point of time. They made me to study well, because doctor told that she won't be able to study. Just let her lie down on bed. Just don't send her to school and everything. So I just grew up, and yes, it was quite difficult in the education sector, and accepting in society, in the family sometimes. But yeah, that's how this happened. And basically, my muscles are weak. My disability hasn't been detected or diagnosed till now, and nor I wanted, because a doctor is very pessimistic in my case, and they don't give me a hope. So I've been my hope myself, and I'm living in my late 20s till now. So my will is leading my life, I guess.